I'm Shravya Manasa Buntla, and okay, so I've done my MBA. So I've done my engineering, then my MBA, and I've been in this music career, like teaching profession, for past 7.5 years. Okay, so I've been teaching. I mean, I've been taking classes for all kind of age groups that start from 3.5 years to 70 years of age. Okay, so why do I take music classes to all kind of groups and everybody are happy? I can tell you that about that in the end of my session. So I'll tell you, I've completed my diploma in Carnatic vocal music, and I've also got trained for all kind of musics like light music, folk music, Western music, and traditional slokas, everything. So I teach everything. So probably I've given some thousands of concerts, like many concerts. I've sung for many private albums, and my mother tongue is Telugu. Okay, so basically I'm a Telugu Andhra person. Okay, now here is the big task for you all. So one by one after one, is going to sing a small song of your choice, any song. But before you sing, I would like to tell you something. Before you're doing something which you're actually interested in, never ever feel shy for something which you're interested in. Okay, so this is something which I tell to all of my students. So no feeling shy, be very open, sing louder, sing your heart out. If there are any mistakes, I'm here to tell you. Okay, but you should openly sing whatever the song you choose. Okay. Okay.
Can I go?
Okay, Isha. Okay, Suhana wanna go first. Okay, so Suhana wants to go first, so I'll pick Suhana first. Then Suhana, then Sunita ji, then Catherine, then Isha. Okay, Isha. By the time all these three sing, you prepare your song. Okay, or you can actually listen to them how good they sing or how do they sing. If they're singing any mistakes, just try to identify if you can do it. Okay.
But I don't know any song.
You don't know any songs, you don't even know any line of song. You can actually sing 2 3 lines as well, no problem. You can sing happy birthday song as well. It's just to know your voices,
In
or
Hindi?
it is just to get
In Hindi can I sing?
You can sing any language song, Isha, no problem. Okay, so probably Sunita ji will sing bhajan. Catherine, I don't know, let me see what Catherine is going to sing. Okay, Suhana, okay, you can start now.
I'm singing English song, okay? I made it myself. The sky is full of stars, at least 100. But the brightest one is me. The forest is full of trees. Some have bark and some have leaves, but the bravest tree is me. Why, ma'am?
Just like that.
Okay. The sky is full of stars, at least 100. But the brightest one is me. The forest is full of trees. Some have barks and some have leaves, but the bravest tree is me.
Very good. Very good. Your,
Thank you.
your voice is very cute, loud and clear. Perfect, Suhana. Very good. Yeah, I can see the interest in you. Very good. Keep the interest alive forever. Okay. Okay. Now Sunita ji, come on.
Just a moment.
Oh yeah, sure.
There's a lot of sound from the fan.
Acha, acha. Okay, all right.
Now you suggest something which I can sing. I don't know.
Yeah, you said you're into bhajans and all. Then you can go with one bhajan. No problem.
Okay, like it's not a bhajan, it's a movie song, which is a
Yeah,
type of
perfect.
spiritual also.
Okay.
I don't know. My son is sitting next to me and he's smiling out of glory, like he's just ridiculing me.
Oh, and then send him away, or else also join him. Not a problem. We also
He can
join.
sing so well. He's got such a beautiful voice, but he will not sing.
Why? That is why people are like not coming out. There are so many people who has super duper talent and none of them come out. That's the only problem. It's only because they won't come
Okay.
forward.
Actually, it's main thing. It's that what do you say? HQ बोलते हैं ना. You feel you're not good enough.
Yeah,
You
yeah,
cannot
yeah,
do
yeah.
it.
Inferiority, probably.
Okay, I sing, but please don't laugh anybody.
Oh, yo, come on.
ये जीवन है इसकी I don't know the words are यही है यही है रंग रूप थोड़ी खुशियाँ थोड़े गम है बहुत सी खुशियाँ यही है शमम धूप ये जीवन है. That's all.
Very good, Ji. You sing really good. You shouldn't feel shy at all.
No, I'm going to learn from you.
Yeah, definitely. I'll teach you a lot. But what I'm here referring is most of the people who are beginners, like who start like for the first time, they feel so shy. They can't open their voice. It takes like 1 month of the time to open up. So why I said you're really good is your voice is really open. That is actually what a teacher needs. Teacher
And
dives
you know
to that
about
thing.
Star Maker? Do you know about Star
Yeah,
Maker?
I do. Achha,
I
you
keep
sing in
doing
that?
that.
Okay,
And I get
that's
an
good.
A plus.
Okay, nice.
I don't know how
Then
did I
I'll
get an
make
A plus. I
then
don't
I'll
know.
make sure you get O.
Achha, A plus, O is the highest.
Yeah, O's the highest.
A plus is the lowest, I think.
No.
Or the starting.
No. There are A, B, C, D, E, F as well, right?
I don't know.
Yeah, there are. But
Okay,
yeah, that's
now
really
you
good. Good.
Ma'am, what did I get?
Sorry?
Ma'am, what letter did I get?
Okay, this is not something which I give. She was talking about a Star Maker, which is a karaoke app. Yeah. So, yeah, definitely. Once you people start singing, I'll definitely give you letters. Okay. So yeah.
Isha.
Geeta ji, do one thing. Just make your son agree to sing a song. He doesn't have to join the class. He can sing a song. Till then, I'll make Isha and Catherine as well to sing.
I can't do that. He will not do it. He's run away from here.
Achha.
He's gone. But he makes fun of me all the time.
Oh,
मम्मी क्या इस एज में सब करते हो?
acha. Age is just a number. Come on. Okay, Isha, Viti. Come on, Isha, sing a song.
Janmadinamidam I priya sakhi Janmadinamidam I priya sakhi Shantanotu te Sarvadamudam Shantanotu te Sarvadamudam Pratyayamahi Bhavashatayushi Pratyayamahi Bhavashatayushi Ishvara sada Tvam charashyatu Ishvara sada Tvam charashyatu Punyakarmana Kirtimarjaya Punyakarmana Kirtimarjaya Ishvara sada Bhavatu sadhakam Ishvara sada Bhavatu sadhakam Janmadinamidam I priya sakhe Janmadinamidam I priya sakhe Shantanotu te Sarvadamudam Shantanotu te Sarvadamudam Sarvadamudam Sarvadamudam.
Oh, very good, Isha.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Yeah, see, that was really cute and really very good. Very good, very good. Everybody is singing very good, but yeah, very good. Good. I'll come back to you again later. Now, Catherine, can you quickly sing a song for us?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, but I can't see you.
I sing with my camera offline.
You don't want to come into this video?
Honest, ma'am. There were some problems.
Okay, if that is the problem, then fine. You can actually go with your audio as well. No problem. All right, start.
I wake up in a castle, in a blossoming garden, feeling so lonely. I hung myself in this nest filled with thorns. Tell me, what did they call you? Where are you running off to? Oh, could you tell me? I found you kept away, and I know you're one piece, the closest to reality. The flowers they pick on me, reaching for your hand. But this is my fate, don't smile on me, write on me. No, I can never take another step through. Don't have a name to call me by anymore. You know that I can show me, giving me the weaknesses that hide you can never see. I wear a mask so I can see you again, but I still want you. Ooh, ooh, but I still want you.
You done? Yeah. Very good, Catherine. Then you actually can actually come out of your shell a little because you're singing really good. But you're like covered like this.
Beautiful voice.
Yeah, very beautiful voice, and she's really singing well. But
Very.
she's inside this. I'll have to break with hammer and I'll have to pull her. Yeah, that will happen, Catherine. But you really, really, really sang well. The
Thank you, ma'am.
humming and all, very good, perfect. Okay, so yeah, in this workshop, I would like to start, not start, like to teach you guys, I mean, everybody, teach you people a small bhajan in which everybody can give your best and prove yourselves. Before that, I would like to tell you how I take classes. This is how I take classes. So you'll understand how I would take your classes and how you would feel super excited about my classes. Ready? You want me to start with my saying of how I take my classes? Come on, yes. Say something. Yes. Okay, I get it. Everybody are on mute, and you people are actually excited telling. Okay, cool. I got it. So yeah, this is how I take my classes. So basically, I take a 1 hour class. Okay, so 1 hour section la. What I do is, yeah, Isha, you raised your hand. Thanks. So in this 1 hour session, what I do is, so without ABCD, we can't learn to write words. We can't learn to write sentences, essays. Is a different story. So basically, for this music as well, we have something like ABCD, which are nothing but the basics. Okay, so basics are nothing but the swaras and all. So what I do is in this 1 hour class or 1 hour session, I teach 30 minutes of my time for basics. I put only these 30 minutes for this basics, and it could be children, it could be elders, everybody. So when we teach only basics, people actually tend to lose their excitement. So what I do is I teach some basics. At the same time, I pick a song of my choice, maybe your choice as well. I pick one song and I'll teach pinch to pinch, like inch to inch, everything I teach. Okay, so one half an hour is for basics, and then some part of our time is for a song which I teach personally inch to inch, and the other part is something which I ask you to come up with that. So basically, I said something. I like two things, and I ask my students to do these two things for sure. One is like interest. Okay. So interest here shows your responsibility. If you're not coming to your class, you're supposed to inform. That shows your responsibility and interest towards your music. Okay, the respect towards your music. So that interest, and the other thing is like homework. My homework part is is something which everybody love to do. Basically, homework is something where people run. Oh my god, I don't want homework is something which we used to do as a kid, and no matter of age, this is something which we have this feeling, right? So my homework is nothing, very simple. I ask every student of mine to come up with a song of their choice, any song of their choice. So that could be uh, Hindi, Telugu, Tamil, English, Odisha, any song of their choice. That could be traditional, folk, movie, shlokas, bhajan.
Question.
Yeah, definitely. Suhana, what is your question?
In the songs, can we make our own songs?
Yeah, nice question. For making your songs, you need some time. You can make songs, but you
I
can't sing
already
in front
make
of me.
songs.
That's
I
really
already
good.
make songs.
But then when it comes to my homework part, you have to reach one level to sing your own songs. Okay. Once you get perfect, right? Once you learn some basics, once you learn some songs of your choice or any kind of songs, then you can start actually like making songs, singing those songs, and asking me for your mistakes. Okay. So first 3 months, at least 3 to 4 months, you'll understand where level, what stage you have reached, right? So because probably in my classes, you'll definitely understand by 3 months. Hmm? So here is the thing. So I'll ask them to come up with their own songs. So weekly 2 classes is what I take. So in 2 weeks, 2 classes. I mean 2 songs is something which you're supposed to come up with. Okay. So you people are supposed to come up with like I won't ask you to sing the whole big songs. Four, 5, 6 lines are fine. But whatever you learn, I want you to give your best in whatever you learn. So how my class goes is 30 minutes of basics, which those basics you'll be applying on the songs which I teach you, and on also homework song which you show interest in learning. Got it? So this is how I teach. Exciting? Yeah. So song choice, your wish. You can actually select from your mobile and you can sing. But make sure you actually practice. You put your all efforts. Maybe your efforts for full is this level. Maybe this level. I might take you to this level by correcting your mistakes. Okay? Fine. Oh, yo, where did Isha go? She must have
Maybe
gone.
I have network issues.
Yeah, I got it. Okay, fine. So you people ready for this bhajan to learn? And as a singer, you should be ready to accept any kind of song, because I actually, I did miss some part of mine. So I am actually a contract singer for TDP party, which is Telugu. You might not know. It's okay. Waste of telling you that as well. So I've sung in front of so many people, maybe 1 lakh people, 2 lakh people. People think how the more stage performances we give, the more fear in us goes away. That is not, that is actually a myth. Fear will always be there because you're actually doing something which is really big. We are going to sing in front of so many audience. It's really a tough job. You'll feel a little fear for sure, but then the confidence that gets when people applaud you is, I can't even tell you. they give so much of confidence. So what I can say is, learn perfectly. Okay, sing for yourself, not for your mom or not for your somebody. Sing for yourself. Do whatever it is for yourself. Then you can do anything, Nana. You can sing very well. So all I am trying to tell you is, now I'm going to teach you bhajan, one small bhajan. Give your best in bhajan. Open your voice. Be confident about what you're singing. If you're doing mistakes, I'll tell. If you're singing well, I'll appreciate you. Okay? Ready for it? All right. Krishna bhajo, Krishna bhajo. Okay, you are doing something which you're interested in. No laughing, no smiling. Come on, do it. At the end of the class, I'll actually give you grades about how you people have sung this small bhajan. So give your best in learning. Show me how good are you at learning. Okay. Krishna bhajo, Krishna bhajo. Okay, maybe everybody can unmute it, and one by one can sing, or
Are
maybe
we supposed to sing with you?
Ma'am?
yeah. That's what I'm trying. Okay, let's do one thing. I'll
I
sing.
did not know.
Sing. All of you repeat at a time. Let's check if
Okay.
it.
Ma'am?
Yeah.
Can we do anything else other than bhajans?
Okay. So actually, why I'm actually trying to do this bhajan is very simple and short, which happens very faster. So it's okay. You can learn any kind of song when you're a singer, right, Kathy? All right.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
So, Catherine, maybe once we start our classes, I'll teach songs according to your sonar. Okay, ma?
Like English?
Any kind of song, not a problem. Okay. Okay, just prove me that you people sing super good. Okay. By learning this small bhajan.
Small.
Krishna bhajo, Krishna bhajo.
Krishna bhajo, Krishna bhajo.
Krishna bhajo.
Murali Govinda bhajo.
Murali Govinda bhajo.
Ma'am, I didn't understand what is
Okay. Murali Govinda bhajo.
Murali
Murali
Govinda bhajo.
Govinda bhajo.
Murali Govinda bhajo.
Perfect. Krishna bhajo, Krishna bhajo.
Krishna bhajo,
Krishna bhajo. Krishna bhajo.
Okay.
Are we supposed to all sing together?
First goes Suhana, then Catherine, then Sunita ji. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Krishna bhajo, Krishna bhajo, Murali Govinda bhajo.
Krishna bhajo, Krishna bhajo,
Murali Govinda bhajo.
Murali Govinda bhajo.
Okay, Catherine now.
Krishna bhajo, Murali Govinda bhajo.
Very good. Sunita ji.
Krishna bhajo, Murali Govinda bhajo.
I'm actually writing down the lyrics in our chat box. If anybody has a problem with lyrics, they can go refer to chat box as well. Okay. Sai Govinda bhajo. Vana go.
I didn't understand that.
Okay. Okay. First, stop muting yourself, ma. Okay. Sai Govinda bhajo.
Sai Govinda bhajo.
Again, two times, everybody.
Sai Govinda bhajo.
Okay, Catherine, go in the order. Sai.
Ma'am, the lyrics.
Yeah, I'm sending you. Sorry. Okay, you can now check the lyrics.
Ma'am, before you... Ma'am, can you sing it once?
Okay. Sai Govinda Bhajo.
Sai Govinda Bhajo.
2 times.
Sai Govinda Bhajo.
Okay, Sunita ji.
Sai Govind Bhajo.
Again.
Sai Govind Bhajo.
Perfect. Sai Gopal Bhajo.
Sai Gopal Bhajo. Sorry. Sai Gopal Bhajo.
Gopal Bhajo. Stretch it, okay?
Gopal Bhajo.
Perfect. Catherine.
And lyrics.
Oh, I've sent you, Nana. Sai Gopal Bhajo.
Sai Gopal Bhajo.
Sunita ji.
Sai Gopal Bhajo.
Again.
Sai Gopal Bhajo.
Okay, good. So, Suhana, now let's club those 2 lines, okay? Krishna Bhajo, Murali Govinda Bhajo, Krishna Bhajo, Murali Govinda Bhajo. Come on, Suhana.
Krishna Bhajo, Murali Govinda Bhajo, Krishna Bhajo, Murali Govinda Bhajo.
Good. Catherine, come on.
Krishna Bhajo, Murali Govinda Bhajo.
Again, 2 times.
Krishna Bhajo, Murali Govinda Bhajo. Krishna Bhajo, Murali Govinda Bhajo.
Okay. Sunita ji.
Krishna Bhajo, Murali Govind Bhajo. Krishna Bhajo, Murali Govind Bhajo.
Okay, very good. Sai Govinda Bhajo, Sai Gopal Bhajo, Sai Govinda Bhajo, Sai Gopal Bhajo.
Sai Govinda Bhajo, Sai Gopal Bhajo, Sai Govinda Bhajo, Sai Gopal Bhajo.
Very good. Catherine.
Sai Govinda Bhajo, Sai Gopal Bhajo.
Catherine, you can actually open your voice a little more, Nana. Open your voice, sing louder.
Sai Govinda Bhajo, Sai Gopal Bhajo, Sai Govinda Bhajo, Sai Gopal Bhajo.
Perfect. Good. Sunita ji.
Sai Govind Bhajo, Sai Gopal Bhajo, Sai Govind Bhajo, Sai Gopal Bhajo.
Very good. Now I'm going to club these 2 lines. Suhana, be ready. Krishna Bhajo, Murali Govinda Bhajo, Krishna Bhajo, Murali Govinda Bhajo, Sai Govinda Bhajo, Sai Gopal Bhajo, Sai Govinda Bhajo, Sai Gopal Bhajo. Come on, start.
Krishna Bhajo, Murali Govinda Bhajo, Krishna Bhajo, Murali Govinda Bhajo, Sai Govinda Bhajo, Sai Gopal Bhajo, Sai Govinda Bhajo, Sai Gopal Bhajo.
Okay, Suhana, it is more like Sai Govinda Bhajo, Sai Gopal Bhajo.
Ma'am, you want me to say that again?
Yeah.
Sai Govinda Bhajo, Sai Gopal Bhajo.
Okay, close. Okay, Catherine, come on.
Krishna bhajo Murali Govinda bhajo Krishna bhajo Murali Govinda bhajo Sai Govinda bhajo Sai Gopala bhajo Sai Govinda bhajo Sai Gopala bhajo Krishna bhajo Murali Govinda bhajo.
Very good. Perfect. Sunita ji, come on. Okay, you're on mute, Sunita ji.
Krishna bhajo Murali Govinda bhajo Krishna bhajo Murali Govinda bhajo Sai Govinda bhajo Sai Gopal bhajo Sai Govinda bhajo Sai Gopal bhajo Krishna bhajo Murali Govinda bhajo Krishna bhajo. How is it? I don't know.
It's good. But only mistake you did was Krishna bhajo. You have to stress a little so that it stays in the raga tune.
Ma'am, can
I have to learn a lot from you.
Definitely, I'll definitely teach you. Okay, cool. Yeah, Suhani, you were talking something, Nana. What were you saying?
Yeah, ma'am. The first thing you taught us, the first message you sent in the chat. Can you sing it again?
Okay, you want me to sing the whole thing?
Yes, ma'am.
I'll do one thing. I'll sing the whole song once for you, so that would be easy for you guys. Krishna bhajo Murali Govinda bhajo Krishna bhajo Murali Govinda bhajo Sai Govinda bhajo Sai Gopala bhajo Sai Govinda bhajo Sai Gopala bhajo Krishna bhajo Murali Govinda bhajo Krishna bhajo Murali Govinda bhajo. Next line goes like this. Giridhari Shama bhajo Sai Govinda bhajo Giridhari Shama bhajo Sai Govinda bhajo Madhuvana Sanchari Shama Gopala bhajo Madhuvana Sanchari Shama Gopala bhajo Madhuvana Sanchari Shama Gopala bhajo Krishna bhajo Murali Govinda bhajo. This is how the bhajan goes, and this is how much the bhajan is. Good?
You have a very high note.
Hey, okay, just remember this point. I'll definitely make you do that way.
You can really
do the
raise
same
your...
thing in no time. Make a point or note or whatever it is.
Ma'am, you have very nice voice.
You've got a
Thank
beautiful
you.
voice.
Everybody's voice is so unique and very good. All I have to just do is you singing in the right way. Okay, so definitely you can just I expect, all I expect from you guys, you people, is just to show some interest, and rest of the part, making you singers, you can leave on me. So I want you to not miss your classes. Okay, maybe one in a while is fine, but there should be some
Shravya,
consistency to get it.
Can I interrupt?
Yeah, definitely.
Shravya, can I interrupt?
Yeah, definitely.
Like, I can only join after 15th of March. So is it okay?
Okay, 15th of March?
After that.
Okay, cool. Not a problem.
Traveling.
Okay.
I'm traveling. I'll register myself. But can I join after 15th of March?
Anything is fine, Ji. Not a problem, Sunita Ji. You can actually join today, and maybe because weekly only 2 classes, right?
No, I'll register today, no doubt.
Acha. Okay, not a problem.
I'll make my thing. I will register today. But my classes, like, this is a demo class, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah.
later on, like I can only join after the 15th of March. I'll be free
Definitely,
after
not a
15th of
problem, not at all a problem. Because
And,
our classes goes like a count of class, not according to okay today class लेना था पर आपने नहीं
नहीं
लिया इसलिए आपका class
Cancel
cancel
हो
हो गया ऐसा नहीं है. Okay.
I was speaking to somebody from PG Ride only. They said we are quite flexible about the days and all. If you inform us beforehand, we can change classes also. Like for me, he'd given
Very
me
flexible.
Saturday and Sunday.
Piggy Ride is really very flexible. All the staff is really friendly and very flexible. So you don't have to worry at all. So there are some people who join and because of some health issues or something, they take one class in a month and the other class in another month as well because of health issues. But I wouldn't suggest you people to do that.
No.
But this is how much flexible Piggy Ride is. So yeah, not a problem.
I'll be joining after March 15th.
March 15, after March 15 is fine, not a problem.
Yeah. Can I leave now? I have some.
Yeah, definitely. Sing the 2 lines which I've taught you confidently, perfectly, and you can leave.
I don't know what you must be thinking of me.
Why would I think anything? I actually feel very inspirational when your age people come and join music class because people of our age feel, not me actually, exactly. Most of the people of my age feel like, oh, we are done with our age. Wow, how can we learn viola? How can we go there? How can we do this? You people are inspiration.
No, I have to learn a lot. I have to learn a lot. I've just started learning.
You'll definitely learn.
Can I sing and leave?
Yeah, definitely. And also we are actually done with our time as well. 5 more minutes, not a problem. You can sing and leave.
Krishna bhajo, Murali Govind bhajo. Krishna bhajo, Murali Govind bhajo. Sai Govind bhajo, Sai Gopal bhajo. Sai Govind bhajo, Sai Gopal bhajo. Krishna bhajo, Murali Govind bhajo. Krishna bhajo, Murali Govind bhajo.
Very good, you got it right. And
thank you.
Yeah, Suhana, you can actually also sing. Yeah. So, Sunita ji, I'll teach you the rest of the song in your own classes. Okay?
Yeah.
No worries. Very nice.
Thank you.
Okay, Suhana and Catherine, you can say bye to Sunita ji.
Bye, Suhana. Bye, Catherine.
Bye. Bye. Nice meeting you. See you soon. Bye.
See you in the next class. Like,
definitely.
Like I don't know how the things will be.
Yeah, we can actually interact. You can actually interact with them. They'll let me know whatever the time I and you together fix.
Ma'am,
Kavya, nice meeting you. Suhana, nice meeting you. Catherine also.
Nice meeting you too. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Okay, Catherine.
Yes, ma'am.
You get ready with a song of your choice.
Okay, ma'am.
Before you sing a song of your choice, sing these 2 lines of what I've taught you. Okay. So Hannah, you just get prepared for what song you're supposed to sing. Like think of what song you can sing along with this bhajan. Okay, Catherine, come on, sing.
Now, ma'am. Ma'am, Suhana.
Yeah, anything is fine, Nana. Okay, where did this Catherine go? Suhana is talking something, but I can't hear her.
Ma'am, I'm just practicing my song.
Oh, okay. Come on, you can do it. Rock it.
Ma'am, sing again, ma'am.
Okay, did you sing? You kept yourself on mute, Catherine.
Ma'am, we sang, ma'am. Both of us sang the whole song.
Sorry?
Ma'am, we both sang the whole thing which you got.
Acha. Okay, now you can actually sing a song of your choice, any song. But this time, be very loud, confident, okay?
Again, ma'am.
Yeah. No, you can actually sing another song of your choice. Okay, Catherine, you kept yourself on mute.
Ma'am, I'm ready.
You ready? Okay. So, Catherine,
Yes,
you want to go first or you want Suhana to go first?
Ma'am, Suhana.
Yeah, Suhana, go.
I just, before I sing the song that you have taught us, can you sing it one time?
All right. Perfect. कृष्ण भजो मुरली गोविंद भजो कृष्ण भजो मुरली गोविंद भजो साई गोविंद भजो साई गोपाल भजो साई गोविंद भजो साई गोपाल भजो कृष्ण भजो मुरली गोविंद भजो. Ready? Good to go? Yeah, come on.
Krishna bhajo murali govinda bhajo Krishna bhajo murali govinda bhajo sai govinda bhajo sai gopal bhajo sai govinda bhajo sai gopal bhajo Krishna bhajo murali govinda bhajo.
Very cute, Suhana.
Thank you.
Good.
Ma'am,
Good.
now the song, along with it, I have to sing a song that I chose.
Yeah. Because we're ending our session, right? I wanted you girls to sing a song of your choice as well.
I'm singing a Hindi song this time.
Very good. I would love to listen. Come on.
सुनो सुनो सावरी की बंसी है बाजी तिन 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 सुनो सुनो सावरी की बंसी है बाजी ऐसे धार धार अजब है जी जिया नर तर से नैना धर से जिया डर से नैना डर से प्यासी प्यासी अखिया भर से सुनो सुनो सावरी की बंसी है बाजी.
That's it?
Yeah, ma'am. I know more, but there are 2 times you have to sing Suno Suno Savari, and in the end you have to say Suno Suno Savari, Bansi hai Baji, and then end the song there.
Acha. Okay, then do one thing. When you start your classes with me, come perfectly with this song. Okay, you're singing really good, but then you're actually some words you're singing very open, and some words you're just closing like this. Okay.
Ma'am, instead, can I practice the song that I said in the starting?
Okay, done.
Yeah.
All right. Now, Catherine, come on.
Ma'am, only the song of my choice, ma'am.
Yeah, only the song of your choice.
On my pillow can get me tired, sharing my pleasure through. That I still hope the door is open, 'cause the window open one time with you. Now my forever's falling down, wondering if you want me now. How could I know? One day I'll wake up feeling more, but I had already reached the shore. Guess we were ships in the night, night, night. Ooh, 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 we were ships in the night, night, night. I'm wondering, are you my best friend? Like a river rushing through my mind. I wanna ask you if this is all just in my heart. My heart is pounding tonight. I wonder if you're too good to be true. I know you'd be alright if I pulled you closer. 'Cause we were ships in the night, night, night. We were ships in the night, night, night.
Very good, Catherine. Very good. Yeah. Oh, Suhana is also complimenting you.
I said
Very good.
very nice, Catherine.
Yeah,
And
I
the
saw
song
that.
is yours.
Very good, Catherine. So good. Your voice actually suits well to this song. And bhajan was also very good in your voice, not a problem. So just practice, practice, practice. And Suhana and Catherine, if you're actually planning on joining, you can come up with your homework songs, okay? Practice very well.
Okay.
Ma'am, when is the next
Yes,
class?
Next class? Sorry, Suhana, I didn't get you there.
Ma'am, when is the next class?
Okay, actually, next class is something which you are supposed to talk to Piggy Ride people, and then you have to talk to them like, oh, when all you're free. You can tell your free timings to them. You can discuss with them about what time you're free and what time I get free. You can just talk to them and then fix your 2 classes every week.
Ma'am, my mother is registering for your class.
Your mom is registering for my class. Okay, very good. All right, Nana, you can just talk to your like whoever the one person talking to you, the Piggy Ride persons, and then you can register to the classes. Same goes with Catherine. You can actually learn whatever the kind of music you're actually trying to learn. Okay, so every kind of music is something which I actually teach. So just make sure whenever your first class comes, come up with a very beautiful, perfect song of your choice. Okay.